Municipal water and wastewater facilities face daily battles against clogging, cavitation, and abrasive wear. And we all know what's at the heart of these challenges. Stringy solids, random objects, abrasive slurries, viscous sludge, and unpredictable contaminants. These materials wreak havoc on positive displacement pumps like rotary lobes, leading to frequent breakdowns, skyrocketing maintenance costs, and unplanned downtime. In an industry where uptime isn't optional, you need a pump you can rely on. That's why municipalities around the world trust Discflo pumps. Our superior disc pumps are engineered to handle the toughest pumping challenges while reducing wear, eliminating clogging, and extending pump life. Discflo's patented Discpac technology consists of precision-machined parallel discs that generate boundary layer adhesion and viscous drag, inducing laminar flow to gently pull fluid through the pump without impingement. Unlike positive displacement pumps, Discflo thrives where others fail, handling effluent with rags, plastics, or entrained air without binding or clogging. Whether you're moving scum, grit, or high-viscosity digester sludge, Discflo delivers unmatched reliability. From RAS and WAS systems to DAF sludge, lime slurry, feeding thickeners, and thickened sludge transfer, we have solutions for every challenge. Discflo delivers real-world results. At the Pinellas County Wastewater Treatment Facility in Florida, Discflo pumps replace 3 lobe pumps, eliminating 54 rebuilds over the past 9 years and saving the county hundreds of thousands of dollars in repair costs. In Orlando, Florida, the city's wastewater treatment plant significantly reduced sludge dewatering costs by replacing frequently failing progressive cavity pumps with Discflo's more durable solution. In water and wastewater, failure isn't an option. Choose the pump built for the job. Choose Discflo.